Greg from Copperfield has a question about floor leaks.
Yeah, it's getting under his hardwood floors. You got some moisture getting under there, Tom. And Greg writes, I'm going on my third floor. He says the area has no water lines, no drains underneath that he's aware of. He says that he can't physically see any cracks that could be causing this problem. I have the floor up in that area right now, and it would be the best time to have somebody come look at it. He says, I'm going to 86 hardwoods once and for all, he says, and just go with travertine flooring. He says, I need to have some kind of specialist track down this moisture issue. Tom, who would you recommend for a job like this?
Well, of course, we'd call Texas Floors and have Jason Ryan, one of his techs, go out there, find out. I think he needs to nix the wood floor. There are some cases where concrete just has a high moisture content and wood floors, and it doesn't go together. It just, people try it, and it's just not a good match. That's why someone like Texas Floors would always go in, do moisture readings on the slab first, look at the choice of floors you're getting, and see if they can get the right floor for that. As far as travertine goes, as long as it's put down when it's dry, it's going to be fine. Even if it floods, I mean, it'll dry out, but hopefully not dirty water. Then you get another mess, and we're not going to go into that right now. Right. But as far as that goes, I would have Texas Floors come out and take a look at it. But it doesn't necessarily have to be a crack. It doesn't necessarily have to be a plumbing issue. It could be lack of gutters that aren't working right. It could be pooling around the house. It could be a drainage system on the outside of the house, which means you probably don't have one that's working right. So these are other issues you can look at, but start with Texas Floors. Travertine, I think, is a great choice. It's a tile. As well, it's a stone, but it acts like a tile, like in a swimming pool or showers or anything else. We used to put them in showers, actually, with a travertine, so that's fine. And no more wood floors in that room. 3 times a charm, right? Yeah. Maybe not in this case.
But I give him credit for trying.
Yeah, I would have. You know what, Charlie? This is a perfect example of not dealing with the right people that you're buying from.
I'll bet you Texas Floors would have had 3 wood floors down in there.
That's right. They would have said, listen, let's rethink this. You want wood? We can do a slap-down vinyl. We can do the tile that looks like wood grains that everybody's all, charged up about right now. So you can have a look with a floor that can deal with a higher moisture content.
All right. You want higher information content for your home? You got a problem? Need some help? We can help you out. Go ahead and fill out that Ask Tom form at HomeShowRadio.com. Send it in. We'll send out a video just like this. We post them on our YouTube channel, our Facebook page, and we put a new one up at HomeShowRadio.com every day.